Allah has created this world. It is so beautiful, isn't it? Yes, sister, now let us welcome our little champs of KG grade on the stage to teach a different shapes. Yes, sister, it is because the beauty comes in shape and size. See the mountain, see the moon, and see the stars. Yes.
Shapes, we are pretty shapes. Would you like to play a game? Will you tell our names? Yes! I go round and round, I look like a wheel. Who am I? Who am I? Circle! Yes, circle. I am like an egg or a circle that is long. Who am I? Who am I? Oval! Yes, oval. I have 3 corners and I have 3 sides. Who am I? Who am I? Triangle! Yes, triangle. Shapes, we are pretty shapes. Would you like to play a game? Will you tell our names? Yes! I have 4 corners and sides. All my sides are equal. Who am I? Who am I? Square! Yes, square. I have 4 corners and sides. Opposites are equal. Who am I? Who am I? Rectangle! Yes, rectangle. I have 4 corners and sides. I look like a kite. Who am I? Who am I? Diamond! Yes, diamond. Shapes, we are pretty shapes. Would you like to play a game? Will you tell our names? Yes! Oh, yes! I have 5 corners and I have 5 sides. Who am I? Who am I? Pentagon! Yes, pentagon! I look like a star. I have 5 pointed corners. Who am I? Who am I? Star! I'm a star. I look like a heart and I look like a leaf. Who am I? Guess who am I? Heart! Yes, heart! Shapes, we are pretty shapes. Would you like to play a game? Will